Today, we're going to be talking all about how to find your photography style. Let's get into it. What's up guys, Uppy here, and on this channel we talk all about photography and filmmaking and helping you create the life you desire. So if that sounds interesting to you, it would mean the absolute world if you guys could leave this video a like and subscribe to my channel. That way we can help more fellow creatives achieve their dreams. Now I know it's been a hot minute since I've uploaded anything, and I sincerely apologize for that. There's just been so many amazing changes that's been happening in my life, but we'll save that all for another time. So let's get into it. Now, photography being a creative art form, it can be quite subjective. There is no right or wrong way to do it. The only thing that matters is if it resonates with you and your ideal clients. So giving a little bit of my personal philosophy behind capturing moments, here's a little piece taken from my wedding photography website, Meadow Lane Visuals. It goes a little something like this. We love to capture the raw, unfiltered, real sides of people. The goosebumps, the loud and quiet, the inside jokes, and the gut-busting laughs, you know, the real stuff. Anyone can create some posed, fake, untrue version of who you are, but we want to go much deeper than that. We want to know your love story, the thing you love most about each other, your favorite memory, the things that make you cry. We want to learn all these things and portray your entire love story through the imagery we take. If you're looking for someone who is all about capturing the unique, perfectly imperfect things that make you you, then I think we might be the perfect fit. Yes, I've practiced that in front of the mirror about 100 times. So going off of that, I think it is clear to say that my style is all about capturing the couple in their most genuine, authentic, and truest selves. So for you to find your own style, here are a few things that can help. Number 1, find and save inspiration. Now this might sound obvious, but it can be often overlooked, and it is a great way to get the ball rolling. When used correctly, apps like Instagram and Pinterest are a great way to see how other photographers see the world. Though we need to be careful not to blatantly copy another photographer, it is always a great way to spark some creativity or gain inspiration, or to have it at the back of your mind for future situations. I can personally say that there has been countless times where I've just run out of ideas and I don't know any poses to put my couples in, or I kind of run out of directions to put my couples in. Having a folder of saved images in your phone is a great way to get those creative juices flowing again. This will make you look more like a professional, take control of the situation, and make your couples feel more comfortable. So next time you're on social media, instead of just blindly scrolling through the images, why don't you take the time to stop and actually look to see what you appreciate about each photo. Maybe it could be the lighting. Maybe it could be composition, the edit, the emotion, whatever. See what aspects you like of the photo and keep it down as a mental note. Properly taking the time to look at images this way will teach you so much and will better prepare you for your next shoot. Number 2, shoot more often. Go out there and find every opportunity to shoot. Whether it's paid or unpaid, being behind the camera and working with people will only make you better overall. And don't be afraid of trying new things and putting yourself in different lighting conditions. Because though I love personally shooting in golden hour, you might find that you love the airy, light feel of shooting in midday. Another thing that new photographers often forget is how you interact with a couple is oftentimes more important than the actual photo taking itself. A picture is just a picture without the emotion in it. Emotion creates story, and depending on the kind of story you want to capture, look at how you make your couples feel. You may love big cheesy smiles with lots of movement, or the quiet intimacy. Whatever it may be, it can only be discovered by giving it a go. Number 3. Connect with like-minded people. I'm blessed to be surrounded by so many talented creatives who continue to inspire and motivate me every single day with their work. Having these kinds of people in your life is amazing to bounce ideas off and to learn from. Now, whether they have similar styles or shoot in a completely different industry, it doesn't matter because it is all beneficial. You may be used to shooting close-up intimate portraits, but know someone who is super talented at landscape photography. Learning from them might inspire you to merge both styles together and try new techniques that you wouldn't normally try. It is also equally important to get constructive criticism from them. They may see something that could greatly improve your work that you might not initially see at first. The old saying of you become the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with could play a part in this. So look for people who are doing what you want to do or you aspire to be like and try to connect with them. So to recap, if you take the time to find inspiration, and properly look at images and point out what you like and don't like about them. Go out and shoot to try them out. You'll find what works, what doesn't work, what you love, what you don't love as much, and how to interact with people to achieve the kind of look you're going for. Then, after your shoots, meet up with like-minded, talented people and don't be afraid to learn from them. They could teach you a thing or two that could put you miles ahead of where you currently are. If you rinse and repeat and do this over and over again, you'll be well on your way to find a photography style that resonates with you and you love. If you found this helpful or entertaining at all, it would be greatly appreciated if you guys could leave it a like and subscribe to my channel. This way, we're gonna help build up this awesome community. Also, I would love to hear from you. Comment down below what your favorite style of photography is, and let's continue the conversation there. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Please stay safe out there, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.